telling my husband, and because I also showed my husband, your husband, job
Yeah.
offer.
Yeah.
And I was like, you could do this too? And he
Yeah.
was like, do you think so? Can I? And I was like, yeah, you can. So it's crazy.
Look, what better person to show them than you, right? You land this first one and be able to talk about your day in the life, and you've done the internship, so you have perspective there. I mean,
right. Yeah, and like I'm so grateful for the internship because that really let us dive into what it really looks like, you know, the platform and how it would work, and how we would work with like the developers and the scrum masters, and so that was really, really good because I was like, how does this even work when I got to the program?
Right. No, and we are improving it some more. You know, we're always trying to upgrade it. I'm trying to, like, now that we're actually doing the internship, because, you know, we did the internship to try to get everyone kind of, you know, in there for the last few months, but now we're going to be adding in actual API, intro to programming, Selenium modules in Road to QA before you even get to the internship. So there's going to be practice even before you get to the internship starting September for anyone who's active or on the class pass, and then now we're actually injecting all of that. So we're trying to close the gaps there so I can serve at my highest level and to continue to bring more experiences just like that as much as I can. So by the time you walk on a job, although you have to relearn their way, is that you have a perspective of how to show up and what that could look like. So.
Yeah, and they said that they use Jira and Zephyr, so.
So you already, you got it. Oh, so you was already a great candidate. So you have your other roles, so you can kind of do that. So you're gonna keep that. You have this new one. You have the babies. You have your husband. Like, so what's your goal with this, Natalie? Like, what was your reason for making this change? Like, how is this going to help change your life or what you're trying to do?
So the reason for this is because, you know, my current job, again, you know, it's a startup and I've been working for the CEOs for many years, but they can just let me go at any time. Okay. You know, entrepreneurs, like these young millennial entrepreneurs, they're just like, oh yeah, I could make my millions and then just let all the employees go. Okay. You know, and so even though they show loyalty, because it's both me and my husband that work there. Okay. They show loyalties to me and my husband that they're like, oh, we want to keep you forever. But the CEOs also don't really understand the importance of stability. Gotcha. Right? Mm-hmm. And children and stuff, because they're still young and they're just living their lives and they already made a few, you know, millions of dollars off of like selling a program for Amazon. And so, they can worry about themselves, but what happens like with the startup that we have right now is for AI apps. What happens when they sell the app? Gotcha. What's gonna happen to me and my husband? And even though I have this conversation with them, like, what are you gonna do? Like, are you just gonna let us go then? And they're like, no, we're gonna keep you forever. And I'm like, well, but if you make millions of dollars, like, you're set for your life, but you don't need us then. Okay. So I just wanted to prepare myself so that I can properly get my foot in the door in tech. Awesome. And so with this though, you do remember that, you know, now from here you can decide to go more project management or tech, because you already know, Natalie, you add those skills in position. You can be a scrum master, a BA, a product owner. Like, you literally can make your way however you want this. Just decide what skills you want to actually focus on and what person, you know, you want to be, what job title you want to go after this. You know, I don't know if you want to stick to more technical, go more automation. If you want to go more project management, you can go data analyst. If you actually like to get into Tableau, like, this is now the door that you've opened just to continue to keep that income and to keep a good income in a six-figure career. So just like you said, no matter, even if they keep you on, you know that you're going to make six figures pretty much regardless, right? So you guys can do whatever else you want to do in your life. So for you and your babies. Yeah, exactly. And that's why I'm like, holy, like, because I've already talked to a lot of my friends about this. I'm like, I took this program, and they're like, okay,